Writing a capability statement. A capability statement is like a resume for your business. It demonstrates experience, your capabilities, and your core competencies. Importantly, it shows your value to customers. It differentiates you from your competitors and answers the critical question, why should I choose your business? Top tip number 1, what should be included in a capability statement? A capability statement communicates your value for your business. It should include a brief overview of your business to understand what your business offers and the industries you service. Most importantly, it should include what differentiates your business in a tender process. You want your business to stand out, what sets you apart from the others. You also want to show your track record. Talk about the scope of work you've done before and how successful you were at delivering on those projects. Case studies are an excellent way to do this, as are testimonials and reviews. Make sure they are relevant, have a clear message, and reflect the type of work you want to do in the future. Add in any industry recognition like awards, any other credentials that your company has. Finally, ensure you include your contact information. It seems obvious, but it is often forgotten. Top tip number 2, know your value. A powerful capability statement clearly defines what sets you apart from your competitors. What does your company do that gives you an edge over your competitor? If your customers can't differentiate you from any other of your competitors, you risk them only buying from you on price and price alone. A quick Google search will offer tools to help you determine your value proposition. You should also use what customers tell you they like about doing business with you. Does a theme come across through in your reviews and testimonials? If you were successful in a tender process, do you know why they chose you? Review your competitors, what they're doing and what differentiates you. Maybe you have the largest range or capacity, or perhaps you're the only local specialist. Does your in-depth knowledge, experience and long track record put you above the rest? Can you tailor solutions for your customer or offer a guarantee on your product or service? Are you on call? Offer a quick response time or extended hours of support? Figure out what your business offers that sets you apart. Top tip number 3, creating a high impact capability statement. Once you're clear on your business's value, it's time to pull together your statement. You want your writing to be clear and concise. The people reading these do not have the time to read through lengthy paragraphs, so make sure every word counts. Use an active voice to ensure your document reads well. Consider using bullet points, infographics, maps, and images instead of bulk text. They say a picture speaks 1,000 words, and they do. Include high-resolution images that fit well with what you want to say. If safety is important in your sector, make sure your photos show your staff in the correct equipment. Include headings in your capability statement. This allows people to quickly find the information they are looking for. Ensure your statement is written from the customer's point of view. Why would they choose you? What benefit your product or service has to them? And lastly, make sure you proofread your document. Check spelling, grammar, and consistency in formatting. Give it to your colleagues, friends, and family and ask them to read through your statement. If you want to write an effective capability statement with confidence, I encourage you to register for our upcoming workshops. We provide a capability statement template guide which is based on feedback from over 400 major project decision makers.